Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork nachos at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your pre-cooked pork. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your chips get perfectly crispy and your cheese melts beautifully. Chop any fresh toppings like jalapenos or cilantro now, so they are ready to go. Now, let's build those amazing nachos. Start by spreading a single layer of tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Don't overcrowd them. Next, evenly distribute your delicious shredded pork over the chips. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of your favorite cheese blend over everything. A good cheddar and Monterey Jack mix works wonderfully. It's time to bake. Place your baking sheet into the preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Watch for the cheese to be melted and bubbly and the chips slightly golden. Once out of the oven, immediately add your fresh toppings like chopped jalapenos, red onion, or cilantro. A cool dollop of sour cream or guacamole adds a fantastic finish. Your incredible pork nachos are ready to be devoured. Serve them hot, right from the baking sheet, for the best experience. You can offer additional toppings or sauces on the side, like a zesty salsa or a smoky hot sauce, allowing everyone to customize their plate. Gather your friends and family and enjoy this fantastic homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.